आओ बेटी आओ आओ. Come and sit down.
Good evening, sir.
Your name is Lisa Garga. आगे क्या है?
Lisa Garg. Garg, sir. Pronounce it as Garg. It's the
You're from
Gotra
Assam?
Vichara. Yes, sir.
All right. Beti, I want you to recognize this music.
So I'm confused between Bhupen Hazarika.
ये क्या चीज है? What is this chant? ये कब गाया जाता है? जागो माँ तुम्ही जागो.
ये सदी दुर्गा पूजा.
क्या बात है, सही जवाब दिया. You're selected. I was waiting for you to trip. You didn't. I was not asking for who's singing it. It is Bhupen Hazarika.
Yes, sir.
But it's जागो माँ तुम्ही जागो.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
भारत माँ जाग चुकी है कि नहीं?
जी sir.
जागी है कि नहीं?
Sir, बिल्कुल.
हाँ?
Yes, sir. I feel it.
You feel it?
Yes, sir.
Are you proud to be an Indian?
Yes, sir.
बेटी है भारत. अच्छा बच्चे, ये कौन सा अटेम्प्ट है आपका?
So it was my 4th attempt, first mains, first interview.
फर्स्ट मेंस फर्स्ट इंटरव्यू. मुझे एक चीज बताओ बेटा. Why do you want to join the civil service?
So civil services would give me a lot of challenging work.
You think so?
Yes, sir. Because
Sitting in the secretariat and clearing files about somebody's casual leave is challenging work?
so I believe since I put my first choice as the Indian Administrative Service, I would be getting to deal with the revenue, law and order, and
In one
development
state,
work.
in one district.
So,
अगर आपको कहीं और नहीं भेजा तो क्या करोगी बेटी?
so I think a lot of officers, they took deputation in Central and they.
Oh no. It's not for you to volunteer. It's for us to choose.
But sir, I think even in the district level, in the grassroots level also, sir, a lot of work can be done.
You
And
can't do it outside the IAS?
of course, sir, it can be done outside the IS. But if
Then?
I am in the IS, I would get empowered to empower the
Thank
community.
you very much. So you want the power. बोल तो दिया आपने.
So that would be used to empower the
Am I saying-
communities.
You want the. I'm not asking you what you'll do with it. You want the power? मजा आता है ना power होने से. लाल बत्ती गाड़ी पे मजा आता है ना. मजा आता है कि नहीं?
No, sir, but actually that would give us a lot of opportunity also to work for
बेटा,
people.
मुझे सब मालूम है वो कहानी. I'm trying to ask you to give me an honest answer.
Yes, sir, that is the power.
You will enjoy the power.
It's the most prestigious job of the country.
Thank
I
you
want to be
very
a
much.
part
Now
of it.
you
sir.
have come, clean with us. All
Thank
the
you,
rest
sir.
will give me diversity of experience. वो सब आपकी जो chat GPT वगैरह होती है उसमें आते हैं, ठीक है? अच्छा, final question. When did you last visit Assam?
So a couple of years back, I was here.
Where did you
preparing-
go to school, Betty?
So 2000.
Where did you go to school?
Sir, St. Mary's Convent in Guwahati.
That's a lovely school. और university कहाँ गई?
Sir, NIT Silchar. I did my bachelor's in civil
I've been
engineering.
there. I've spoken at NIT Silchar. अच्छा बेटी, हमें एक चीज बताओ. Main illegal immigration का problem state of Assam में कौन से देश से है?
Bangladesh.
क्या करूं उनके साथ?
So I think they need to be.
Thrown out?
Yes, sir. They need to be evicted because India's resources are fully for its citizens.
Forget it. What should we do? Don't give me justification. Evict them.
Yes, sir. They need to be evicted.
They need to be evicted. And
Yes,
when you
sir.
become DM of a border district, Kokrajhar or somewhere, you'll throw them out. Have you been to Kokrajhar? Bodoland?
No, sir.
Who are the Boros?
So the Boros are the indigenous people of Assam, and they occupy almost 35% of the population, the tribal population in Assam.
अच्छा, मेरे को एक चीज बताओ. Why are they famous?
So they have the.
Can you link them to the Mahabharata?
So Bhim married a girl from the Boro community.
Yes. And their son was called
So I'm not able to recall the name.
Ghatotkacha.
Yes, sir. Ghatotkacha.
And he sacrificed himself
Yes, sir.
to save Arjun.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
बेटा जब मैं I was special advisor there. जब मैं कोकराझार में जाता था वो मुझे, and you know what we call them? Rakshas. Look at the arrogance of the North Indian. और वो मुझे कहते थे कि we fought for you Hindus. They are also Hindus.
Yes, sir.
We fought for Bharat. We were the first defenders.
Yes, sir.
Very fine community. Basant Ray, Sumant Ray, these are the family names. Wonderful people. Hardcore Hindus. You agree?
Yes, sir. Even they worship Batho, that is a primitive Shiva.
That's of course. And of course, as rightly said, Ghatotkacha. एक मंदिर है कहीं पे. The woman's name was Hidimba.
Yes, sir. Hidimba. Yes, sir.
याद आ गया सब कुछ?
Yes, sir.
This kid is bright. She'll do very well in the civil service. Final question, बेटा. बांग्लादेश की बात कर रहे थे. यार अभी देखो, this is terrible, ना? I just got a message. This morning, 644 Hindus have been killed. Today, in Bangladesh with encouragement from the government.
Yes, sir.
With encouragement from the government.
Sir,
Now I'm making you Prime Minister of India for 1 minute. क्या करोगी?
sir,
Everything has failed.
so I would like to activate the ground intelligence, the
वो
sleeper
सब हो
cells.
गया, आ गया मेरे पास. जामे JEI, जमाते इस्लामी, उनको बोला कि जाके मार दो सबको. I'll support you. पुलिस को बोला don't interfere. मैं क्या करूं बेटा?
So I think we need to activate the ground intelligence.
और एक्टिवेट हो गई इंटेलिजेंस ना? करके क्या करोगे? एक्टिवेट करके
उसके बाद क्या करना है?
So,
धर्म संकट में पड़ गई है हमारी बेटी.
so we can either have a realist approach or we can have a little bit calibrated,
कैलिब्रेटेड क्या होता है? मारते जाओ. कैलिब्रेटेड
as
क्या
in
होता है?
approach the United Nations. to-
ओए होए होए, you think they'll do anything? कश्मीर में कितने साल से मुद्दा फंसा हुआ है यूनाइटेड नेशंस में? कश्मीर का कब से है वहां? 49 कितने साल हो गए? क्या किया है? छोले खाए हैं. पैलेस्टाइन का मुद्दा कब से फंसा हुआ है? छोले खाए हैं. कुछ सॉल्व किया है? कोरियन वॉर के अलावा, बिकॉज वी वेंट इन टू फाइट एंड द अमेरिकन केम एंड अ फ्यू अदर्स, दैट वाज इन द अर्ली 50s. उसके बाद क्या सॉल्व किया है? जाके इश्यूज देखो कितने फंसे पड़े हैं वहां.
So we can authorize a special team to rescue and evacuate the minorities.
So therefore, I'll violate Bangladesh's sovereignty. And if I go in, he'll get very angry. If I bring out the Hindus, then he'll start killing more.
So that
Or
is
shall I kill him?
that is United Nations
United
responsibility.
Nations, they are incapable of doing anything.
So
Do you have
responsibility.
any faith? R2P, responsibility.
R2P.
You know, Shabbai, badi hushar hai. What is the meaning of R2P? If he cannot save his people, who has the right to go in?
United Nations.
No. I have the right to go in. Sorry. UN की कितनी बड़ी फौज है?
So exact numbers I'm not
एक भी
aware
नहीं
of.
है.
They don't have their
Yes,
own
so
army.
we send them.
So therefore, I'm not going to wait for a UN. The resolution is already there. Libya में तभी तो गए थे.
Yes, sir.
Responsibility to protect.
Yes, sir.
रेजोल्यूशन में जो कोई नहीं आएगा, वीटो हो जाएगा. वो कौन बैठा है वहां? टिंगलिंग पिंग पोंग डिंग डोंग, क्या नाम है उसका?
Yes, sir.
चीन के लीडर का नाम क्या है? टिंग टिंग.
Xi Jinping.
शी नहीं है, ही है. ही जिंगपिंग है.
Xi Jinping.
You think we are being tough on you? बेटा, you haven't given me a decision. ठोकूं इसको
नहीं,
कि
पर
ना
इन्होंने
ठोकूं?
एक आंसर तो दिया है
क्या?
कि निकाल लाओ उनको.
हिंदुओं को निकाला.
निकाल.
वो हाँ बेटा, 10 लाख है. बड़ा मुश्किल है मेरे लिए इतनों को लाना. असली चीज ये है कि रेजिम को रिप्लेस करूं.
जी सर.
डोनाल्ड ट्रंप से पूछा गया था when he met PM मोदी last year कि बांग्लादेश की इशू को क्या करें. He said let Modi handle it. So he's given me a carte blanche. खुला टिकट दिया, ठोको. अब जाके ठोकूं कि ना ठोकूं, निर्णय करो.
जी नहीं करना चाहिए सर.
तो मारते रहे वो हमारे लोगों को.
So we should try to solve the matter in a diplomatic manner because
वही बात है ना, वही. Everybody wants वही chat GPT और बाकी लोगों ने
they
इसको
sir,
सीखा.
they
Sir,
want to
हम ठोक
they
सकते हैं,
want
but we
to
have to for that we have to activate our ground resources. We cannot be directly involved in a conflict, in a border
What is
conflict.
activate our ground resources? Ask the Hindus there to mobilize and kill the Muslims.
So
क्या
something
बोल
like
रही हैं?
sir, something मतलब what I am imagining is that something the way we did in Operation Blue Star during
वो तो पंजाब में था. वो तो मेरी
so
धरती
वो
पे था.
larger
हमने
scale, अगर हम
अरे कम,
larger
कम,
scale
कम.
में उस
कम
चीज
कम
को.
कम. वो तो मेरी फौज गई थी वहां. कुछ पता है आपको ऑपरेशन ब्लू स्टार
जी
का?
सर.
कौन गया था?
इंडियन आर्मी.
चाइना की आर्मी आई थी.
नहीं सर, इंडियन आर्मी गई.
तो फिर मैं वही तो पूछ रहा हूँ, जाऊं अंदर?
जाना चाहिए सर.
हाँ,
जाना चाहिए सर.
अब मान गई है.
नहीं वो उसको क्या
जाना चाहिए. Like we have to activate our
नहीं, वो
intelligence
ऐसा है कि
so that
उस-
we can destabilize the Muslim whatever is happening.
और वो और मारेगा. क्रिकेट के ऊपर कितना नाराज हो गया है. एक आदमी को हमने नहीं खेलने दिया, वहां तो और भड़क गए हैं कि और मारो इनको. क्या करूं?
So what we can do is we can just strike off their 2 chicken necks in that.
ये लड़की है, टाइगर है ये पूरी. That's exactly what I'll do.
Yes sir.
एक उनका ऊपर है और एक नीचे है. ठोक दूं फिर जाके?
Yes sir.
ठोक दूं ना?
Yes sir.
He is responsible for everything.
Yes sir.
My economy is bigger than whose economies? जो 5 महारथी हैं, मुझसे बड़ी कौन से देशों की इकोनॉमीज है?
US, United States,
And
then United States is the UK,
no,
UK is smaller than us.
much smaller. China,
China. Yes sir.
right?
Yes.
रशिया की तो 1 ट्रिलियन है, मेरी तो 4 ट्रिलियन से आगे निकल गई है.
Yes sir.
कंफ्यूज हो गई है बेटी हमारी. Anyway, over to you, sir.
So this is
You have the
international.
best people here, civil servants. Take advantage. And unclutter your mind, beta. Declutter it. All right? Your mind is cluttered. You're trying to give us answers which you are hedging. You're a bright girl. I can make that out.
नहीं but ठीक. अच्छा, you are a civil engineer ना?
Yes, sir.
तो जरा मुझे बताइए कि what kind of structure you propose for a multi-story building? आजकल there are a lot of 13 stories, 15 stories. So what kind of structure do you propose? Please explain to us what is this column, beam, how do you ensure the safety? अभी तो बहुत issues आ रहे हैं safety के. Supreme Court has recently ordered demolition of a building in Noida.
So we'd like to propose a beam column type of a structure.
What is that called?
So the RCC frame structure comprising of beam, columns, footings, and we should avoid, for the safety purpose, we should avoid a soft story. Soft story means walls are not there. It's just the columns in the parking area. So that kind of, in such structure, the walls, the loads are not effectively transferred. So that is why they are prone to risk. So that is to be avoided. And secondly, in earthquake prone areas, base isolation needs to be done. Base isolation so that
ये जो single story building में कौन सा structure बनता है? Suppose I want only one story building.
So ये RCC frame structure ही होता है.
नहीं, when the walls are bearing the load, what that structure is called? There is one structure where the load is being, done on the walls, not on the frame structure. ऐसा होता है कुछ?
That is called the load bearing structures.
Load bearing structure. That's for single story or double story?
That can be single story, double story.
अच्छा, एक बात बताइए, आजकल we hear a lot that the bridges are collapsing.
Yes, sir.
And within the guarantee period, and lot of casualties are happening. तो ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? I mean, have we forgotten? Because this Yamuna bridge in Delhi is 200 years old, still serving the purpose. And there are many bridges which we come to know that within a few years of their operation, they are collapsed and there are many casualties. It happened in Goa, it happened at Maharashtra also, many places I have read. So why it is happening?
So number one reason would be the process is, the tendering process is such that we go for L1 process, the lowest bidder. So sometimes the aggressive bidding takes place, but the company is not able to deliver the cost. Like they use faulty materials, then massive corruption takes place, then adequate design specifications and design mix is not adhered to. So these are some of the reasons when ultimately...
Should we do away with this L1 thing in civil engineering? तो फिर वैसी corruption बढ़ जाएगी. There is a saying that had the Shahjahan gone for L1, Taj Mahal would not have come up. At least the way it has come up now.
Shahjahan would have come around. अगर L1 के लिए जाते.
No, you look at this Lal Killa. It was in 1638, sir. 400 years, 500 years. Look at Taj Mahal. So why don't you as civil engineers recommend that the building should come up and we should do away with, there should be something else? Why do we go in for L1?
So, because government has limited resources and within that capex framework...
लोगों की जान की भी तो है, जो सर कह रहे हैं कि वहाँ मर गए बांग्लादेश में लोग, और यहाँ पे आप ऐसी बिल्डिंग बनाए जिसमें लोग कोलैप्स होके मर रहे हैं, है ना? तो आई मीन ह्यूमन लाइफ की भी कोई वैल्यू है कि नहीं? तो you as engineers, why don't you propose some alternative system?
So one would be increasing R&D so that quality is maintained and cost effectiveness is also maintained. So we need to go for more advanced technology so that...
quality control का कुछ होता तो है नहीं. Nobody comes. It's only on papers. Nobody comes for quality check. And our buildings are very substandard.
So better compliance and model concession agreements.
कर दिया आपने. I was the head of the construction organization. I suspended JE, AE, XE and superintendent engineer at the same day, the same place.
Look, take advantage, beta. Listen
because
to
they
what
said
he's
कि
saying.
हमने वो bits पिलानी को दिया हुआ था. When I said whether they came, so in the 2 years they did not come even once. I said कि inauguration क्यों करा दिया? बोले जी वो pressure था time से खत्म करने का. So these engineers have to take, sir. Anyway,
क्या बोल रहे हैं?
So anyway, I'll change the topic. बांग्लादेश जो बना और इंदिरा गांधी जी ने support किया. I want to ask you, since you are from West Bengal, na? Assam, sorry, nearby state. तो ये बांग्लादेश में what was fundamentally wrong when India was divided? There was Pakistan and there was India, and this Bangladesh was part of Pakistan. We call it East Pakistan. So what was the fundamental reason that it has emerged as an independent country? क्या resentment था? Basic reason क्या था?
Linguistic difference, sir. The East Pakistan, they were Urdu-speaking people dominantly. Sorry, sir, West Pakistan. And East Pakistan, they were Bengali. They spoke the Bengali
उनको क्या
dialect.
फर्क पड़ता है, उनको बंगाली बोलने देते हैं. मतलब why it became such a big political issue that it became an independent country.
So the language was uniformly imposed on them, and they were treated as
But
second-class
I read
citizens.
it that later on they agreed for the this Bangla language in East Pakistan as an official language. Is it correct? It was initially, yes, they imposed Urdu, but later on when resentment was going on, there were some other reasons also.
So Sheikh Mujibur Rahman also had his own political
वो तो अलग
teams.
बात हो गई कि कोई ना कोई अमर्ज हो ही जाएगा. Because adequate attention was not being paid. Okay. Just tell me about Citizenship Amendment Act.
So in context to Assam,
अभी recently नहीं जो अभी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने अमेंड किया है ना 2019 में. What exactly is the amendment?
so it seeks to provide citizenship to the non-Muslim communities from 3 countries: Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Bangladesh.
What are these non-Muslim
Yeah, that's
communities? Can you name them?
Yes, so the six communities, they are Buddhists, Jains, Parsis, Christians, Hindus, and Sikh.
तो फिर resentment क्यों था? What was wrong with that? There's a lot of protests taking place in Shaheen Bagh, and recently it was in news that 2 of the fellows were not granted bail even by the Supreme Court. So why there was so much of hue and cry against this amendment?
So 2 reasons for protest. For mainland India, it was basically that why citizenship would be given just based on religion. And for Assam particularly, it was that because we had already faced the Bangladeshi influx in 1971, and the cutoff date was 25th March 1971. And this time the cutoff date was extended to 31st December 2014. So that was one of the reasons why Northeast was upset.
Religion के बेस पे क्यों नहीं दे सकते? Because they were being, tortured there. We wanted to protect them. जो सर बात कह रहे थे. अब यहाँ पे भी आएंगे, यहाँ पे भी citizenship ना दें, वहाँ पे भी मरने दें, तो क्या करें फिर? मतलब protest का reason क्या था?
Protest का reason तो सर वही था क्योंकि citizenship में they were given citizenship based on religion. But however,
do you agree? Was there anything wrong? Was it legally allowed? And you are a student of political science,
yes,
na?
sir.
So under what provisions of law it was allowed?
So Article 14 of the Constitution, Supreme Court has ruled that reasonable classification is allowed.
So there was reasonable classification that the minorities were suffering and majority, why should we give? And उन्होंने उसका बंद नहीं किया था. So then why protest? Protests were reasonable or unreasonable?
Protest was unreasonable, sir. That's what I feel.
Okay.
But,
Sir.
एक सवाल. Is Narendra Modi a good prime minister or a bad prime minister? Give me your opinion. Is he strong?
Yes, sir. With respect to international relations, he has really taken India to a very great level in the
Are you
global.
proud of that?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Do you agree with what he's saying?
सिद्धांत है हम घर में घुस के मारेंगे चुन चुन करके हिसाब लेना ये मेरी फितरत है 7वें पाताल में होंगे उनको भी मैं छोड़ने वाला नहीं
बताओ.
Yes, sir. It was in 2016. Uri.
जब भी बोला है. Do you agree with what he's saying?
Yes, sir. It was done for
हमारा
the.
सिद्धांत है घर में घुस के मारेंगे. ये हमारा सिद्धांत है.
Sir, that was done to protect our territorial.
मैं कुछ और पूछ रहा हूँ. जो इसने कहा है हमारा सिद्धांत है. झूठ बोल रहे हैं ये?
Sir, as far as I could recall, it's not none, that something like that is not written in our constitution. But then Article
It will not be written in your constitution. Which article what?
355.
Says what? घर में घुस के मारो.
Like we can protect our motherland if required. Center
ये
can.
तो क्या बोल रहा है? घर में घुस के मारूंगा. That's destroying the other fellow. इसका background क्या है बेटी?
So we have the right to protect our motherland, and if required, we can have a realistic
We can?
action. Offensive realism is something.
So therefore, if these guys are talking about severing chicken's neck, I should go and hit them
If
to
they
protect my territory.
yes, sir. If they threaten to cut us, the cut.
That's
then
what they're
not.
doing. They're making statements every day. Plus, they are killing Hindus. Time is right now. घर में घुस के मारूं कि नहीं मारूं?
So they are just making statements. They are not doing anything
How do you know?
as of.
Are you waiting for them to do something?
No, sir. Preemptive strike is required, but they
तो
are not.
therefore करूं कि नहीं करूं?
करना चाहिए सर अगर जरूरत पड़े.
चलिए अब मान गई है हमारी बेटी. Sir,
You are a civil engineer from a very premier institute.
Yes, sir.
Still didn't take civil engineering as your option?
So my optional is political science, and so political science would allow me to know about the government and politics, and also give me a scope to run study about international relations. So I took the subject.
If you wanted really to be an administrator, then you should have offered public administration as an option, not political science.
So, from an administrative point of view, yes, but PSIR offers us to study about the government politics, the day-to-day affairs that is going
What
on.
is politics?
It's about acquisition of power,
If I
shaping
don't-
and sharing of power. That is what Harold
If I
Laswell.
don't share power, does it mean I am not participating in politics?
So, politics. That's what Hannah Arendt says is about acquisition of creation of public spaces through participation in civic republicanism.
She says something in her context.
So she says about power. Power comes from people, from public spaces when people appear and they
So,
discuss
if
and
there is no
debate.
power, can politics exist?
The power comes from people, sir.
Okay, fine, agreed. Next, but what is politics?
And politics is about shaping and sharing of power.
If I don't shape, will politics exist?
Ultimately, the whole aim of politics is to create a better society. And for that,
It is purpose of everything. To create a better society is the function of each and every subject and issues. If I am talking to you, I want you to be a good civil servant, therefore making a good society. Everything is geared toward this.
yes, sir.
Does politics relate to distribution of resources?
Yes, sir. Egalitarian distribution of resources.
Egalitarian may not be.
So, because when we are in power, we have to.
You require power for what?
So, for resource distribution, for doing justice to people, for doing
Justice
developmental
comes.
works.
Justice happens because I am not distributing correctly. Requirement of justice happens only because I am not distributing resources properly. Though it is very difficult to distribute resources properly. If I suppose, ideally, if I am distributing resources in the society as per the requirement, no need for justice. Justice is part of politics. Okay, my last question would be, what is policy paralysis?
So policy paralysis means that the things are stuck over in the file and it's not been able to execute at the ground level. Too many opinions, but nothing concrete has come out.
You mean to say we have certain opinion, we have placed in the file, not coming out. Suppose if we don't form an opinion and we don't put in file, is it not part of policy paralysis?
So it can be.
Can be. So
we need to develop what Amartya Sen says. We need to develop capabilities
don't
of people.
rely on Aran and Sen and others. I want your views.
So that is what people say, that if you teach a person how to fish, he is going to
Feed
feed a generation.
All this we know.
Okay.
Not from
Thank you.
अब आप इनसे सवाल पूछे और उसके बाद मैं कहूँगा आपसे. Okay? You're very good.
लिजा, आपने 2019 में अपनी इंजीनियरिंग कंप्लीट की and you have not worked ever since. What have you
So
been doing?
I was involved in doing some freelancing activities.
Like,
for
yeah,
writing.
precisely what I'm getting into. Can you throw light? What have you been doing since the last 7 years?
So I was also for a certain period of time I devoted myself for the UPSC preparation
You've been
wholeheartedly.
preparing for how long?
So it was almost 4 or 5 years
You've been
after
preparing,
that.
and you were not able to clear prelims.
The prelims, yes, sir. That was
Okay.
hard.
So how? And I see that you have read many self-help books. Was that a solution that you were seeking when you were going through your difficult ordeal?
Yes, sir. The book called Atomic Habits by James Clear, that was important because it taught us that how small habits actually help us in achieving our goals one step at a time.
Can you help me out with your learnings in 2 points? Like if you were to deal with anger management, what would be the 2 suggestions that you would give? What should I do to handle anger management?
The first thing that I would suggest you is to take a pause and reflect instead of impulsively acting on it. And secondly, try to understand the root of the matter and then calibrate your stance accordingly, what is needed according to the demand of the situation.
Toxic relative who always keeps on questioning me while I'm preparing exactly आप कर क्या रहे हो? आपने अभी तक शादी क्यों नहीं की? इस तरीके के सवाल. How would you deal with such a toxic relative while you're preparing?
First one would be to outright ignore the comments because opinions are not necessarily facts,
Is
they
it
are just
easy?
perspective.
Has it been easy?
It's about building resilience, sir. And it depends on the person on how much they take the other person seriously.
Okay.
And secondly, because I know there are different perspectives and this is my goal, I can convey to that thoughts to her that this is why I can give a rational explanation to that person.
My last question to you would be कि if you're a DM of a district and you find a lady who has been, alleged to be a witch,
Witch hunting.
witch hunting is going on and she has been tonsured and paraded. What would be the essential steps that you're going to take to ensure that she has her dignity back?
First would be to immediately tell the SP to take the action, the law and order, whatever is required. Secondly, I would like to create an awareness that these things are very much not in the social norms. This is a really wrong
What
thing
is the
to do.
psychology of such witch hunting incidents?
It is superstitions, outright superstition. They believe that because of that woman, something wrong has happened in their family. So that is one of the reasons.
And what would be your direct initiative? Like,
To
how would you be dealing with that lady?
to debunk the myth that these kind of things don't exist, sensitize the society, and also for the lady, for the victim herself, she should be taken to shelter homes and
Is there
provide.
any law that exists that deals with witch hunting?
Specifically, sir, I'm not aware of. Read about
Thank you.
it. Thank you, sir.
Beta, final thing, we think you're very good. We are giving you a very high ranking and you'll do extremely well. Be honest, declutter your mind, unclutter it, be careful. Now I'm asking you a final question. You are SP, कौन सा district है आपका?
Kamrup Metro.
तो कामरूप मेट्रो की आपको एसपी बना दिया, आप तो आईपीएस में, ठीक है, बन गई ना एसपी या एसएसपी होता है, एसपी होता है, ऑलराइट। वो देखिए वहां पर मत देखिए, वहां पर 6 फुट 4 इंच का एक पहलवान एक औरत के कपड़े उतार रहा है, ही इज गोइंग टू रेप हर। आपका सब इंस्पेक्टर इधर खड़ा 5 फुट 6 इंच का, ये 6 फुट 4 इंच का हट्टा कट्टा है, एंड दिस गाय इज थिन फेलो, ही हैज अ रिवॉल्वर। That girl is about to be violated. आप तो औरत हैं, बेटी हैं देश की, क्या करना चाहिए सब इंस्पेक्टर को?
So he can shoot on the leg so that.
He's hiding behind the woman. He can't see the legs. He can only see the head.
So he can distract her, do some kind of a
वो छोटा
decoy.
है ना, वो तो 5 फुट 4 इंच का है, वो 6
फॉर्मा बना देगा
वो तो उसको मार के इसको भी मार देगा।
इसने ठोक दिया उसके माथे में एक गोली, मार गया वो। अब आपसे पूछा गया क्या एक्शन ले उसके अगेंस्ट?
So he did it to protect the dignity of the woman.
He should be acquitted.
That was done in line of duty, sir.
Should he be acquitted? Suppose I was in his place. I shot the guy with a licensed revolver. Should I be sentenced for manslaughter?
So inquiry should be done, but then he
वो
should
तो
be.
सब हो गया, inquiry
हो
हो
गया,
गया।
उसका no bad intention, only to save the girl he killed. Otherwise the girl would have been.
Raped and possibly killed.
I believe he should be acquitted.
टाइगर है ये बेटी हमारी।
मैं कह रहा था इसका यही आंसर होगा।
You were so right. We've read your mind, Betty. Speak it fearlessly.
आपने इतना भी टाइम ज़्यादा लगा दिया, स्ट्रेट अवे। चलिए, गुड।
All right? May God bless you, God be with you, and welcome to the civil service. And if you're DM of any district, I'll be happy to live there. जो मालूम है कि एक दुर्गा है हमारी, जो हमारी रक्षा करेगी।
चलिए, विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट।
All the best.